Alright, my name is Martin and this is
Blättler.
We're going to take you through a quick and simple ab workout that you can do at home, at the park, in the gym, wherever. We're going to show you two variations. Alright, one is for the beginners, Lara is going to show you this one, and then one for someone who's a bit more advanced, who has already good core strength. The structure of the workout, there are 3 exercises, alright. One is for the upper abs, then the lower abs, and then also the obliques. So you target the entire core muscles. All you need is kind of a bar, like this one. You can find them in a gym, at the park, at the playground, also at home, if you have a pull-up bar or something like that. Is there something you want to say before we start?
No.
Alright, let's dive in.
Have fun!
Have fun! Alright, the first exercise. So, for this one you actually need a pull-up bar. You hang at the bar, then you pull up your knees as high as you can and just stay in this position. Lara is gonna demonstrate it in a few seconds here. Yeah, hang the bar, just like that. And then, yeah, just like that. You keep this position for at least 10 seconds. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and all the way back down.
Daddy,
Good, I'm gonna help you. Perfect, well done. So, this is the first exercise. Obviously, this is the beginner variation. In a few seconds, I'm gonna demonstrate you the more advanced one. The more advanced variation, you hold onto the bar just like Lara did. And then instead of just pulling up the knees, you're actually pulling up your entire legs with the legs straight as high as you can and back down. And up, she can do it too. High, as high as you can.
Bye-bye.
All right.
Bye-bye.
Legs straight, up, 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 and down. 10 repetitions. Hanging leg raises. So that's the first exercise of the advanced ab workout. All right, the second exercise is a partner sit-up, whereas you lay on the ground, or like here, this is actually the easier variation. You have incline bench, so you don't have to go all the way back down. It's actually easier this way, right? Now, your partner, your dad, your wife, whatever, holds your feet tight on the ground, and now the goal is to come up with your torso all the way back down, up again, back down, and up again, exactly like that. Up, 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 up. Like before, 10 repetitions. Lara is actually learning the sit-up right now. Again, that's why we're using the thing here. This is easier this way, and once you master that one, you can do it on the ground. All right, well done. All right, this is the advanced variation. We're using the exact same thing. You find it in a gym, sometimes like here in the park. Now we're doing the opposite side. You work against gravity. It's actually harder, obviously. And again, you pull your upper body towards your torso, towards your knees. Exact same thing. 10 repetitions. All the way down, all the way up, all the way down, all the way down. 10 reps. And then we go ahead to the third exercise. So, we've done something for the upper part of the abs, something for the lower abs, and now we're going to work on the obliques, the side here. Lara is going to demonstrate the easy variation, the side plank with straight arms. Can you do it for me? 10 seconds. Just a straight.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
Other side. Or a quick 10 seconds, right? 10. Oh. 10, 9, 8, 7. Again.
10, 9, 6, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
This is quick. Well done.
Thank you.
Okay.
Now you're up.
Now it's my turn, right?
But why is that your turn then?
Now it's my turn.
What?
It's actually the same exercise. All right. Side plank with straight arms. And now I'm going to thrust my hips up as high as possible. Go down again. Up, down, up, down. So also here 10 times. Difference between what Lara did and what I'm doing here is obviously the movement. So Lara did a static exercise, whereas I, well, do kind of reps. 10 and then the other side. Down, up, up, up. By the way, if that is too easy to, what I don't think, you can even lift one leg up as well and then do the same. 10 repetitions. All right, these were the 3 exercises, super simple. Which one do you like best?
This one.
This one. Cool. So what you can do is you do a circuit. So first exercise, go to the second one, then a third one, and start over again. Or you do 3 times 10 of the first, then 3 times 10 of the second, and then 3 times 10 again of the last exercise. Optimally, you keep the rest period short, maybe 20-30 seconds in between sets and exercises. But if you're like us, I mean, we're here to have fun, right? Having a good time.
Yeah.
So we do one exercise, we mess around for a few minutes, actually do another one, whatever is more convenient. Just remember, it's not only about being physically active and work out, but also to have fun, right? Good.
Have fun, friends.
Have fun, friends. With that being said, what they need to do? What do they need to do?
I don't know.
They tell them to subscribe.
Subscribe.
Subscribe and also click the like button, right?
Yeah.
Cool.
And the gling.
The gling, the bell.
Yeah, the bell.
Do that. All right. Thanks for tuning in and see you in the next one. Cheers.